Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing another alternate card using elements from the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin kit. Now, really the only thing that I'm using from the kit for this one is the card base. And I thought with all those little silver stars on it, it looked like a Christmas card to me. So I am going to just silver heat emboss, and I'm using the Words of Cheer retired set because I love this floral piece on it, so I'm going to stamp it here and here. And if I could also use the little mini fireworks from the kit if I so desire. So I'm not sure I will. It'll depend on how it goes, but let me just get a scrap of paper out. And well, let's do some stamping. So I'm going to take my Versamark, and I'm just going to make sure that that is not on the stamp. There we go. And I'm just going to ink this up with the Versamark, and I'm going to stamp it down like that. And I'm just going to make sure that it's got good adhesion there. So I've got that corner done, and then I'm going to come back in and place this at the top like that. Okay, so I'm just going to put that off to the side, and I'm going to put it on a smoky slate card base. So I've already heat embossed the greeting, and it is from the Words of Cheer set. So I am just going to add my embossing powder, and I'm getting a bit low on my embossing powder, so I'm going to have to stock up. Okay, and then I'm just going to rotate this around and grab it from this side. And then just keep adding the powder. Just give it a little bit of a knock there to get rid of any excess powder. Just make sure I've got good powder coverage on all of this. And with this one, I'm not overly concerned if I've got a little bit of extra powder. Because it'll just go with the whole sparkly background scene. So I'm going to heat emboss now. You can see it start to change color. There we go. And if when you're heat embossing you find somewhere that looks a little bit dull, it just means that you haven't heat embossed it all the way there. And I've missed a little bit of powder there. I'm not going to worry about it, but I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of these little fireworks because they look like little stars. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add some down here like this and some up here like this. And then we'll heat emboss again. And then we'll finish our card. Okay, just making sure I've actually got powder on the whole stamp. There we go. And then again on the stamp at the bottom here. Okay, and I'm just going to heat emboss those, and then we can build our card. Okay, and this would be a perfect card to use the bling on that came with the kit, but unfortunately I have used all my bling, so I don't have any left to put on this card. If you've got any kind of silver, or actually there was some blue and purpley silver ones, and I don't think I've still got them in my stash here. I think I've moved them out of the stash, but they would have been, the two-tone blue and silver ones would have been really good. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and I am going to adhere this down. And because the heat embossing tends to warp the paper a little bit, I'm going to put adhesive right along the edge all the way around. Like this, and just a little bit in the middle. And I need to clean my holder there because it's getting a little gummy. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this down like this. And this is my first Christmas card of the year. So sending you Christmas cheer. And that is our 5th alternate card using elements from the 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.